Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Time flies over us, but leaves its shadow behind. My dear students, right now we are learning chapter number 9, Time. Learning objectives for chapter number 9 are: reading time, how long is a minute, days of the week. This is the clock which has numbers 1 to 12 on it. These are hands of the clock. The short hand is called hour hand. The long hand is called minute hand. What is a time? Time is defined as the duration in which all things happen, or a precise instant that something happens. An example of time is the Renaissance era. An example of time is breakfast at night, 8 o'clock in the morning. An example of time is a data at noon next Saturday. The short hand of the clock is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The clock has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. The hour hand moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. The minute hand goes all around the clock in the same time. When the minute hand points to 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. In this clock, minute hand at 12, hour hand at 8, which means the time is 8 o'clock or 8. We always write the time using two dots. minute hand at 12. Hour hand at 12. The time is 12 o'clock or 12. This has been taken from Anjum's class timetable. Write the time in 2 ways to complete the puzzle. Maths period. Look, here we are having the clock which has numbers 1 to 12 on it. The short hand is at 9. The long hand is at 12, which means 9 or 9 o'clock. Computer period. Here you can see the clock where the short hand is at 11, the long hand is at 12, which means 11 2.00 or 11 o'clock. We have to write the time on this way: 11 O, comma, clock, 11 o'clock. We can write the time on this way also. We can see the time written on this way in digital clocks. Games period. Here we have the clock. Look what time it is. See, where is the short hand? The short hand is at 2. The long hand is at 12, which means 2. How we have to write it? Write 2, make 2 dots and 2 0. Or 2 o'clock. These are the 2 ways how we can write the time. Draw the hour hand to show the time. Now see, my dear students, here we have the clock which has numbers 1 to 12 on its face. If you observe, here we have only one hand which is at 12. We have to draw the hour hand. Where? Let's see. The time is 3 o'clock, which means we have to draw the hour hand at 3. The minute hand is at 12, our hand is at 3, which means the time is 3 o'clock. Now see, here also we have the minute hand. The time is 1 o'clock, which means we have to draw the hour hand at 1. The minute hand at 12, hour hand at 1. The time is 1 o'clock. Here you can see that the minute hand is at 12. The time is 7 o'clock, which means we have to draw the hour hand at 7. Minute hand at 12, hour hand at 7. The time is 7 o'clock. In this clock, we have to show the time 6 o'clock. Now see, my dear students, here we have minute hand, which is at 12. So, where to draw the hour hand or short hand? Observe it carefully. The time is 6 o'clock. That means we have to draw the hour hand at 6. Hour hand is at 6. Minute hand is at 12. The time is 6 o'clock. Now everyone write down the heading, because now you all have to draw the clock with me, as well as you all have to write the time. First, write the instruction, see the clock and write the time. Take the book, pencil, bangle in your hand, because now we are going to draw the clock. See the clock and write the time. First of all, with the help of bangle, draw the circle. Write the numbers 1 to 12 on it. Make sure that you have to leave some space between two numbers. You can take the help with this clock how to write the time. 1, leave some space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write the time properly. Draw the short hand at 2. The long hand at 12. Now tell me, what time it is? It is 2 o'clock. Everyone write down 2, leave some space, o'clock. First, draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on it. Draw the short hand at 2, long hand at 12. The time is 2 o'clock. Again draw the clock. Write the time. Write the numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. Leave some space between two numbers. The short hand is at 4. The long hand is at 12. Now tell me what time it is. Look at the screen. Look at the hands of the clock, the position of the hands, and think in your mind what time it is. If the short hand is at 4, long hand is at 12, it means it is 4 o'clock. Everyone, write down the time, 4 o'clock. Draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. 1, then leave some space. 2, leave some space. 3, leave some space. 4, leave some space. On this way, write till number 12. Now, draw the hands of the clock. Draw the short hand at 9. The long hand at 12. 9, 12. What time it is? Look at the screen. Look at the position of the hands of the clock. If the short hand is at 9, the long hand is at 12, it is 9 o'clock. Everyone, write the time on this way, 9 o'clock. Draw the clock again. Write numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. Write the numbers properly. Leave some space between two numbers. If you wish to draw the clock in the square shape, then you can draw. If you wish, you can draw the triangular shaped clock, but you have to write the numbers 1 to 12 properly. on the face of clock. Now draw the short hand at 1. The long hand at 12. Think in your mind what time it is. If the short hand is at 1, the long hand is at 12, the time is 1 o'clock. Again draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. Make sure that you have to write the numbers properly. Draw the short hand at 5. Long hand at 12. Now think in your mind what time it is. If the short hand is at 5, the long hand is at 12, it is 5 o'clock. Draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. Make sure that you have to write the numbers properly. Now draw the short hand at 12 as well as the minute hand is at 12. Now think in your mind what time it is. Here in this clock, both hands are at 12. What does it means by? It means it is 12 o'clock. My dear students, now we are going to start learning about days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. Now, let us see. Start from the start. It says Monday is the first day of the week. Look, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. My dear students, now we are going to learn and write tables. Write the heading table of 5. You all have to write the table with me. Make sure that you have to leave one line after completing one. Five ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. So, my dear students, at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.